Hello, cat lovers. Meet the Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box, designed to give your feline friend the freedom and comfort they deserve. With its spacious open-top design, the M1 encourages natural behavior while ensuring safety with its advanced sensor system that pauses operation if your cat is detected. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and messy cleanups, thanks to the innovative pull and wrap waste system that seals waste in odor-blocking bags with ease. Perfect for busy pet parents, the M1 offers extended capacity, allowing up to 14 days of worry-free operation, making it ideal for short trips or hectic schedules. Whether you have a tiny kitten or a hefty 33-pound cat, the inclusive design caters to all sizes, even featuring a special kitten mode for the smallest members of your feline family. Stay connected and in control with the Neakasa App, which lets you monitor bathroom habits, track litter levels, and remotely adjust settings at your fingertips. Plus, with reduced litter tracking and a soft clean mat, your home stays pristine, offering a cleaner, more enjoyable environment for everyone. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.